In the last video, we will see how to make things made with the container widget more beautiful now using the card Listtile. First we use a widget called Listtile. Let's give the icon we used earlier. For that, the leading property is used. Leading icon. Icons.phone. Color. Colors.red. Okay, phone icon is displayed. Now we use the title property to give the phone number. Title. Text widget. Phone number. You can change the color and font of the text. Style. Text style. Font size 20. Color. Colors.red. Font family. We can add the custom font source Sans Pro which was added earlier. Okay. Now you can wrap it with the card widget. Select Wrap with Widget. Let's change it to card. Okay. It is the default white color without giving a background color. Let us give the margin. Margin. Edge insets. Symmetric. Vertical 10. Horizontal 25. Okay. It's displayed. The entire card can be copied and pasted. Make the icon email. We can change the phone number and give the email ID. Okay, both are displayed.